Oh my god, no, I did not just do that. Well, hello there, beautiful people. My name is Bridget, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an awesome day, and today's video is going to be something a little bit different. Today, we're going to be doing henna on myself for the first time, and I'm so excited because I've always wanted to try henna. Even as like a kid, I never went out and like got hennaed before, but I've always really wanted to. So today we're going to be doing the Me Henna kit. So it comes with a bunch of stencils and a henna, which I'm so glad they're stencils because like freehanding it seems really intimidating. But hopefully today I'm going to give myself a really nice henna using this kit. I'm going to pick out the stencils that I want, and then we're going to go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. Alright guys, before we get started, Me Henna is sponsoring today's video. I wanted to tell you that and a little bit about their kits. So I did pick these stencils that go in the kit, so you get to go on their website and pick the stencils that you want to use, which I think is really great because then you know which kind of style you like, or what kind of body part are you doing it on. Are you doing it on a leg? Are you doing it on your hand? What kind of pieces do you want to make your own henna with? So inside the kit you get a cone, which I have sitting in the fridge just because it gets really hot in Florida right now. So all of our stencils and all the supplies we need are in here, and I'm very excited to go ahead and get started. Also, just because they're sponsoring today's video, I'm using their thing, does not mean I am any better at application, because I am so uncoordinated. I am so bad at everything that hopefully this turns out okay. That's why I'm glad there's stencils. Also, I am left-handed, but my right arm is pretty tattooed, so I'm going to be dealing with my opposite hand to do my left hand, which is not tattooed. So that might be a little bit interesting too. If that sounds good to you, let's get started. Alright, so if this angle is weird, I apologize. But this is inside of the box. So first we have this right here. And then we have this cute little cami tank top. It's really cute. Then in here we have some information about the body art kit. So it shows you the instructions. I will be paying very close attention to these. I did just take a shower as well because I know you can't get this like really wet for the next 24 hours, so I wanted to take a shower. And then here are the stencils that I chose. I chose a bunch of them because the whole kit you can choose like a ton, and I didn't know which ones I was gonna feel like using. So here is the first one, which is really cute. Here is the other one. This one I think I really like. I'm going to keep this one like in my maybe pile. We have some cute shapes because I thought maybe like it'd be fun. I don't know, Mickey Mouse is cute. We have some flowers, which would be really cute on like down the side of the arm. I know you can't really see, but like down the side of the arm would be cute. We have some cute little ones that I like for fingers. I thought like it'd be cute on my fingers, so I might use these. We have this one as well, which is cute. This one is so delicate and dainty, like across a leg or something, like an armband. These would be so cute. And then we have this one right here, which is very simple, but I like that there's like a lot going on in a small space. So I think I'm going to use these two. I don't know, because I want something on my wrist. Because like I want to do this hand because I'm left-handed, but you're not going to see it over my real tattoo. So I might have to do it on this hand with my opposite hand. So I think I'm going to do my fingers. And I'm not sure. Yeah, I guess I'll do my hand. And then I'll put this on like right here maybe? I think that'll work. So that's what I'm going to do. Also, look how pale my fingers are right here compared to right here. From like driving and then like these hit the light. Ridiculous. My fingers look so weird right now. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Alright, so what I did is I cut these out to the like shape I wanted so there's no excess stuff around it. I got the 3 finger pieces. I'm going to do 3 fingers. And then this big one for like, well, I guess it'll be this way. My hand. Should I do it this way or this way? I think I'm going to do it this way. Yeah. So I'm going to do these. So the next step in here is to apply it. And I'm a little bit nervous because what if I do it crooked? I'm not very good at things. I just got to make sure I press these down really good so they stick in place. So this is the first one. The edges aren't going down, but that's fine because the main part of the stencil. I'm excited a little bit. Let's do this. I'm also not going to be able to move my hand or use my hand for the next 2 hours, so I chose a time where I had like some free time to do this. And I'm just going to apply the rest of them. Alright, so here is the stencils applied. Of course, the edges again are not going to stay down, but that's completely fine. I am concerned about this one a little bit. I just don't want to bend my arm too much. But this is what we have going on. I'm going to change camera batteries and we'll get started applying the henna. Alright, let's do this. I am kind of nervous a little bit because I am just like accident prone to the max. But I also think it might look cool. So I have the henna tube here. It leaked because I live in a very hot climate, but that's fine. So I'm going to keep it in the bag and use it like this. I'm going to pull the needle out so that we could get started using this. And I'm so uncoordinated with my right hand. I don't know how to hold things with my right hand. But I'm going to very slowly apply pressure so I don't like put out too much henna out of this thing. But I'm going to start off with the fingers. Oh my god, no, I did not just do that. I'm pretty sure I messed the first one up, the first finger I did so far, but I'm pretty sure the rest of this is going okay. Like, it's kind of hard to tell on camera, so I'm going to fast forward the rest of this process. Unless something terrible happens, then I'll let you know. So for this bottom half with the big flower, I've decided to do this really quickly because I am on a crease of my arm and the stencil wants to come up. So I'm trying to do this at least decently quickly. This half might not be as nicely done as the rest of it. We will see. But I must say it's kind of satisfying doing this. Like it's kind of a good, like, I don't know, like, I don't know, it's like kind of relaxing. Also, the stencil makes it really cool because I would never in a million years know how to do these kind of designs. And I feel like because you can't see my face in this video, I feel like I'm talking in a voiceover, but I'm not. Alright, so I've decided against doing this edge that's lifted up because I don't want it to run everywhere. But ideally, you could probably do a better placement and it wouldn't have to worry about it. So this is what I'm working with. I filled in all the holes with the henna. Except for, of course, this side. But this side looks really good. So I'm optimistic. I'm going to leave this on now and wait 2 hours and I'll be right back. Alright guys, hello. It has been 2 hours. I'm going to show you this up close as best as possible. It looks so gross. Also, I know that this is supposed to be like farther down the hand. This is supposed to be like right at the wrist here. I really wanted it high up, even though I made this like a lot more difficult to like put down, and I obviously didn't do this part, but I really wanted it high up on my hand because I was considering getting this hand tattooed, and I wanted to see how I felt about it. So I put it higher up in the hand so I could like see what I feel like having something on my hand all the time. And now I'm gonna peel this off and then I'll wash it off. So fingers, it's been exactly 2 hours, so that came out horrible. There is gonna be a degree of human error. Of course, you can always take your time and things, but yeah, this is what I ended up doing. I think it was fun to apply though, honestly, because like I had a good time. These are what the fingers look like. I knew this one was messed up from the start. And then, of course, I'm going to have to wash off everything too. Ew, how weird. How weird is this? Oh my gosh. So most of it stayed on the stencil, like the henna itself. I'm going to wash my hand and then I'll show you what it looks like. Of course, it's going to take 24 hours for this fully to develop. So to wash this, you take the vial of coconut oil and a paper towel. I'm going to put it direct. You could probably put it on the tattoo itself. I'm going to put it on the paper towel to start off with. And I'm just going to rub off all the excess henna that's stuck on my skin that's kind of flaky. They also have these little tiny spatulas you could use to do that too, but I have like a weird a thing about popsicle sticks and I really don't like touching them, so I'm just going to use the paper towel. Alright, so my hand's a little red because I was just rubbing all of this off. But look at this finger. This one looks pretty decent. The other two kind of messed up. But, you know, human error again. I really like how the stencil-y part came out. This looks really solid, honestly. I'm kind of excited to see how it develops. So this is the hand immediately after removing the henna. And I will see you tomorrow with the finished, developed color. Alright guys, so I realize I have looked better, but I apologize about that. So this is how it turned out after 24 hours. Most of it is like very hard to see, like my fingers and stuff is hard to see. However, I did realize that the part that I applied a ton of stayed just fine. So this is the like main piece that we did, and it looks really cute. I really like how it's like barely noticeable. It's like very cute tinted. I like that a lot. So what I noticed is why the rest of like my fingers and stuff didn't stick. So when I said I was applying it and I was like, I'm going to do this last part really fast, I applied a lot more. I applied it a lot more liberally. So I think that really helped the end result. When I was doing the fingers and things, I was doing a very minimal amount of product because I was scared that I was going to like leak through the stencil or something. But when I used a ton of it and just coated over the stencil, it turned out so much better. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you've tried henna on yourself, let me know. Do you think it's fun? Do you think it's easy? And do you think these stencils would help you? Because I think if it was not for the stencil, I would not know what I was doing, and the stencils were very helpful. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will leave the kit link down below if you want to check it out, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.